Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Hopefully you guys have watched the last video that I put up, which is all about simplifying the body and our understanding of it. Because that's a big part of what I try and do with my clients and the people who I coach through fasting and detoxification protocols, is to help simplify our understanding of what we're trying to do. Because the body is extremely complex. You know, it has so many unbelievably intricate workings and processes happening at any one time that it can be quite overwhelming to think about it as a whole. But if we simplify our understanding, it can really help us to kind of appreciate and have belief in what's going on. So if you haven't already, I encourage you to go back and watch the first video I put up about simplifying our understanding. But today's video is about continuing that simplification of the body. So when it comes down to health and sickness, it comes down to chemistry. Health and sickness is a direct result of the chemistry that's inside of our body. And there are only two sides to chemistry: acids and bases, acids and alkaline. And human beings are an alkaline species. We are not designed to be acidic. And it's when we become acidic that we invite sickness, disease, and all kinds of negative conditions into our body. So what you're looking at right now is a visual representation of what it's like when the body is overly acidic or when it's properly alkaline. So if you look on the left, you see a tree that is dry, dehydrated, the leaves have fallen off, it's essentially dead, the ground is cracked, it's decayed, and it's a visual representation of what it's like when the body is overly acidic. And then you look at all the words that are associated with that: pain, inflammation, swelling, dehydration, potential for tumors, growths, aging, fatigue, and degeneration. All the things that you would associate with sickness and disease are associated with an overly acidic body. And now on the flip side of that, if you look on the right, you see a tree that is healthy, green, lush, beautiful green leaves that are growing. And then on the ground, you see beautiful green grass, a very healthy tree, a very healthy body that is essentially properly alkaline. And you see all the words that are associated with that: hydration, cooling, elimination, detoxification, healing, energy, anti-aging, and regeneration. All the things that are the opposite of an overly acidic body and that are key to a healthy human body come when we are properly alkaline. So that is a simplified but still effective way of understanding how an overly acidic body can lead to chronic conditions, chronic disease, and all kinds of sickness that we suffer from in our day-to-day lives. So the real question is, if acidic chemistry is causing these issues, how is this acidic chemistry coming into our body? And there are multiple ways in which it comes into our body. Obviously, the foods and drinks that we consume is a really large one, and one that we have the most control over. Products we put on our skin is a big one. The air that we breathe, pharmaceuticals, putting that kind of foreign chemistry that creates all kinds of side effects has a really acidic effect on our body. And then lastly, our body creates cellular waste. Every single cell, every 70 plus trillion cells in our body creates cellular waste through carrying out their various functions. And that cellular waste is acidic, all right? And we do have systems in place, elimination channels to eliminate all of this chemistry. However, when we have a poor diet, a poor lifestyle, or our emotional health is suffering, our ability to eliminate all this acidic waste is greatly impacted, which means we're not eliminating effectively. And if you're not eliminating effectively, you are accumulating, all right? And when you accumulate acidic waste, you just saw all those different things, all those different things we associate with an overly acidic body. Those things now have the potential to occur. So we'll talk more about elimination pathways in the next video, but for now, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something.